हमें गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है. It's like this. You say something and you will get this. It's like that. Like, there should be some reason behind any action. So give me a valid reason, I'll do it. If there is no just for the sake of और OTT पे और OTT पे चलता है तो I'm like no thank you.
Hello and welcome to Telechakkar. This is your host Farhan Khan. Today we are going to speak about one of the much awaited and most loved web series coming from Art Balaji, the season 2 of Dave DD. Devika is back, and this time with double the fun and double the excitement. So let us know more about Devika and the web series Dave DD season 2, because today with us we have the leading lady herself, Ashima from Dave DD season 2. Ashima, welcome to Telechakkar. So first of all, Dave DD season 2 is all set to premiere. What are your excitement and how is the excitement from your end?
I am very, very, very excited because people have been waiting for season 2 since so long. Like literally 3 years. It's a long time. I feel like I've grown up in these 3 years. So people are waiting and I really want to see their reactions. Like they were in totally love with my character. And I got so many messages after season 1. So I think they'll feel better. So I don't know. Like I'm excited and nervous also. I don't know.
So talking about the character Devika Dharam Trivedi, yeah. So when season 1 was aired, and what was the reaction coming from your fans? Because this was a very different and quite a bold character to be said. So how was the reaction coming from the fans?
See, it was insane to be very honest. I wasn't expecting that much because it was my first project. I had no clue. I was fresher. Plus, I don't belong to a film background. Like, people don't know me by my name. They only saw the trailer of the show. Maybe it was running on YouTube or somewhere. The advertisements were going on, and from there they subscribed alt and they saw my show, and then they binge watched it. I remember I got a message from this student who was supposed to give exam the very next day, and he was like, I end up watching all your episodes. And I was like, okay, I don't know what to say, but thank you so much. And they were in love with my character. They were like, is it your first project? Because it doesn't seem like. And they must have seen all my interviews, so then they got to know that it was my first project. And they started following me on Instagram, and they checked that there was no work before. So they were like, no, we like, it doesn't look like that it's your first show. Like, you were commendable. I was like, okay, thank you so much. I didn't expect this much, but it was very heartwarming.
So when you read the script for the first time, and when you read the character Devika for the first time, what was the very first impression of Devika, and what inspired you to do this project?
Okay, I'll be very honest with you. Extremely honest. I don't think I have to hide this, but when I read the story, character brief, and I got it from my director, I was very sure that these people, they will tell me the very next day कि मैम आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा तो we are replacing you. I was mentally prepared for that. Because when I read the script, I was like, dude, no way I can perform this much. The character is so different from me in personal life. Though I am little like Devika, but people don't know it, right? So, जब आप इंडस्ट्री में आते हो, you're new and you don't tell what you have inside you, right? So आप थोड़ा सहम के, I was naive. So I was like this, okay. And this character, oh my god, she's abusing also. Oh my god, she's slapping people. Oh my god. Though I've done that before, but people don't know it, and I have to do it on camera. Just you feel nervous, right? So I was prepared that very next day they will tell me that, ma'am, we have to replace you. But they didn't. Our director, Ken Ghosh, directed season 1. He was so sweet, and he is like my mentor till now. And he was like, no, we'll work together towards this direction. You will become Devika. Don't worry. I'm there. And then I did, I think, 2 months ka workshop back to back for like 6 hours in a day. And I used to read the scripts and each and every dialogue from my dialogues, Chandni's dialogue, or maybe my mama's dialogue. I used to read each and everything, and he used to like, no, do it like this. Essay. Be a little pacey in this. And he worked a lot on me. I openly say this, that season 1 was, I was copying my director. My director used to perform for me, and I used to look at him, okay, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है, हाँ सर ये तो कर सकती हूँ, हाँ ऐसे कर दिया. So season 1 was purely spoon feeding, and there's no shame of admitting it that I didn't do anything in season 1. My director did all my work for me.
So having said all these points, so how it was getting back to Dave DD family once again, the set and the environment, of course, performing during the new normals and COVID times. So was it like, what was the challenging part shooting during this time, season 2?
Okay, so over the period of 3 years, I have grown as an actor. I am more sensible. I am more technically sound. So during the shoot, we used to have this discussion, or whatever you say, you can give more names to it. Not behas, but yeah, discussion with my director and my creatives, that I used to say, why would she do this? ये तो ऐसे नहीं करेगी. अरे, this is so immature of her. No. Then they used to tell me that, dude, you're playing Devika, and Devika hasn't grown up. She's still Devika. Season 1 wali Devika. And you have to follow that because story continue. It's not like 5 years later. It's not like that. So there I have many this thing that, no, this doesn't make sense to me. Because as an actor I was thinking, as Ashima I was thinking. So that was a bit difficult for me to get into that thing. But recently I saw a few dubs and edits. And I was like, no, it's making sense. She's quirky, she's fun, yeah. She won't think before she do anything. Or मैं logics ढूंढती रही. So that was a little difficult. During COVID times, it was difficult, but we managed somehow because everyone used to be tested before coming on set. So it was manageable. Thank God, kuch hua nahi.
As you rightly said, you have mentioned that you're very similar to Devika in real life too. So particular now, okay. So what are your similarities between Ashima and Devika?
What am I? हमें गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है. It's like this. You say something and you will get this. It's like that. Like, so गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है हमें. And I think we both are emotional fools. Both of us.
So having particular similarities, do you find any, of course there are many opposites and differences too. Yeah. So do you think this Devika, the character of yours, must love character, this character has given you something as an actor, or you have taken something from this character?
I think bravery, the fire inside her. She is so upfront. She's not afraid of anything because she knows that she's right and she's doing each and everything for the good of her family or maybe her best friend. Like, she's there to support. She is full of love. She's not someone who will be envy of anyone. She believes in giving and receiving love.
If you have to describe your character Devika in 3 simple words, no sentence.
I think it's all going to be BBB. She's bolder, bitcher, and badder this time.
So having said that, this is your character is very getting much love from the fans all over. So having seeing this web series now, what are your project you're looking forward to, and what are your any specific genre, any specific web series or movies you're looking forward? Any specific thing you're looking for?
No. So as an actor, I want to do everything. There's never a specific thing that I want to go into this direction only, or I don't want to repeat my character. No, I don't have that school of I don't come from that school of thought. I believe as an actor, I'm new in the industry and I want to do each and everything. Whatever will come, I'll take it and I'll give my 100%.
And talking about a character Devika, like what kind of character graph are we going to see in season 2? Because season 1 we have loved Devika. So season 2 में और क्या देखने को मिलेगा fans के लिए Devika?
Again, she's going to be that rowdy, जो है, quirky, funny, but more evolved as a person. Because I fought for it. I was like, no. Now this season she'll be more evolved.
So what do you think, Ashima, the fans would love about the season 2 and they should be looking forward to season 2? What will be the USP of Dave DD season 2?
So I think first of all we have 2 new entries in season 2. So that's a big catch. And those 2 new entries are opposite to these 2 already existing characters, Devika and Anurag. So that's very interesting. Secondly, they all are fighting for love. It's all one-sided love. All 4 of them. No, not even 4, 6 of them, including Radha and Chandni. They all are fighting for love. It's a beautiful story which is to merge into each other. All the characters, like, it's beautifully written. All the characters have their tracks and they are not there in the show just for the sake of it. They all have some purpose to fulfill.
We have seen you like in season 1 also quite a different and unique character, Devika, putting a bolder role. So as an actor, do you hesitate saying no to any project which you don't like doing it? Do you feel like saying no?
Yeah. I say no because there should be some reason behind any action. So give me a valid reason, I'll do it. If there is no just for the sake of और OTT पे और OTT पे चलता है तो I'm like no thank you. Very clear with that.
What are your future plans going to be like? Are we going to see you more on OTT platforms? Where can we see you defining your versatilities more?
That's a tricky one because I personally don't like to talk about it. There are few things which are happening and few things are in pipeline. But just till the time they are not out there or at least announced, you have no idea. Projects ऐसे shelf हो रहे हैं आजकल. Like you'll start with the workshop or you'll start with few days of shoot and then you'll get to know no it's not happening. Maybe budget ज़्यादा हो गया क्या हो गया. So it just I like to keep it till the time the producers don't announce it. Till then I'll say that there are good things coming.
We are eagerly waiting for it. So before going, Ashima, few words for your fans and Dev DD Season 2. What do you have to say?
I want to tell them all that please better watch season 2 because you guys have seen season 1 and you have loved it and I'm sure they will watch season 2. Please, it's coming on 20th Feb. Please.
Okay. So it was lovely talking to you, Ashima. Wishing all the best for Dev DD Season 2. Thank you so much. So this is what Ashima has to say about Dev DD Season 2. What are your thoughts on Dev DD? Do comment in the comment section below. Till then, this is your host Farhan Khan with camera person Amit Singh signing off. For more news from the world of Bollywood, digital and television, keep watching Telechakkar.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.